In the last video, we learnt words with the root logos, which means study or science. Let's revise them. Ornithology. Ornithology is a branch of zoology dealing with the study of birds. Entomology. Entomology is concerned with the study of insects. Ichthyology. Ichthyology is the branch of zoology devoted to the study of fish. Etymology. Etymology is the study of the origins and history of words and their meanings. Trichology. Trichology is the study of diseases or problems related to the hair and scalp. And finally, numerology. Numerology is the study of numbers in the belief that they have a special importance in people's lives. Now let's look at words with the root philae, which means love. In today's video there is a surprise technique instead of a surprise word. This technique will help you in generating more words on your own. So watch the video till the end. A philanthropist loves mankind. The root anthropos means humans. Thus a philanthropist is a person who donates time, money, experience, skills or talent to help create a better world. A philatelist is a person who loves to collect or study postage stamps. Next word is cynophile. A cynophile is a dog lover. Philosophy. Philosophy is the study of theories about the meaning of things such as life, knowledge, and beliefs. The roots phil means love and sophos means wisdom. Cinephile. A cinephile is a person who loves movies. And now, are you ready for the surprise? If you use phile as a suffix, you can generate many words. For example, Indophile. Indophile is someone who loves India, Indian culture, history or its people. Similarly, a Francophile. A Francophile is a person who loves France, French traditions, culture, customs, etc. Can you guess who a Nipponophile is? A Nipponophile is a person who loves Japan and Japanese culture, traditions, etc. Now let's recap. Philanthropist, philatelist, cynophile, cinephile, philosophy, and several other words with the suffix phile. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions regarding the words you want to learn or have difficulty in understanding, please write to me in the comment section below.